Are you stuck in my hair? You love me so much, don't you? I love you too, Beeper. That's my face mask. Princess, what's wrong? She's sounding the alarm out there. I wonder what happened. I was doing some little tattoos. Look, it came out so good. I have one on my ankle too, the butterfly. This doesn't rip off the rest of my eyebrows. Beeper's been plucking them out for me. She thinks I shouldn't have eyebrows. Right, Beeper? You have a pretty eyebrow. Look at your pretty eyebrow. You hear Princess going crazy? She must be playing a game with Daddy. She likes to tell him when dinner's ready or she hears a noise, she'll alert him. Yes, Beeper, you're so smart. You did a good job. What'd you do? You did a good job? You're so cute. You do a good job just being cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My little baby girl. You like that pillow? It's gray like you. It matches you. Oh, it matches you. Is it a worm? Is the worm gonna get you? The worm's gonna get you? Uh-oh, it's a worm. My sweetie, sweetie. Alright, let's go see what Princess's chaos is about.